on Omar Khalid, the former Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, has said that they've been inside for 5 years, and I'm not criticizing the court, but you can impose conditions to ensure that the conditions for bail are not abused, but you must necessarily take into consideration that they have the right to an expeditious trial. This is a statement that has been made by D.Y. Chandrachud that has sparked off a political debate. Listen in to what he said.
They've been inside for 5 years. I'm not criticizing my court. You can understand my hesitation in criticizing my court because I was part of the institution which I was leading just last year. Each one of these principles which I have mentioned does point to the fact that you can impose conditions to ensure that the conditions for bail are not abused, but you must necessarily take into consideration that they have the right to an expeditious trial, and if an expeditious trial is not possible under present conditions, then bail should be the rule and not the exception.
Now we have breaking updates coming in after the remarks that were made by the ex-CJI. The Congress party has reacted to it. We have the first reaction coming in from the Congress party, where Supriya Shrinate has questioned the ex-CJI. My colleague Amita is joining us on the broadcast with the details.
Yes, Pratibha, as far as the Congress and the ecosystem is concerned, we've seen the kind of views that came in right after when it comes to the Supreme Court decision that came in as far as the 7 accused in the Delhi riots case were concerned. But Omar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam were placed on a different category altogether as prima facie when it comes to the allegations or the charges against them are now concerned. To which Supriya Shrinate has now reacted on the former CJI statement, saying that if an expeditious trial is not possible, then bail should be the rule and not the exception. Fancy words at the literature festival, but what stopped him from doing the right thing? During his own tenure as the CJI, the bail plea was filed in Supreme Court in 2023 and it was adjourned over 10 times. As a master of rosters, he sent this bail plea to Bela Trivedi's bench, knowing what the fate it would mean. As far as when it comes to the former CJI and his decision is concerned, or rather his statement, Supriya Shrinate seems to be criticizing it.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details, Amita. Let's also go across to legal editor Harish Nair. And Harish, there has been a lot of talk over the bail not being granted to Omar Khalid, but recently as well, the Supreme Court had taken a note of the role that Omar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam had played in the Delhi riots.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. In fact, while denying bail to Omar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam, but at the same time granting bail to 5 others in the Delhi riots case, the bench led by Justice Arvind Kumar had said that the prosecution, that is Delhi police, had furnished enough evidence to prima facie convince the court that they had committed some grave offense and that they were the kingpin and the mastermind, though the other 5 played a lesser role. So here, the former Chief Justice Chandrachud's remarks come at a time when denial of bail to Omar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam had generated quite a controversy. The former Chief Justice saying that in case expeditious trial, speedy trial is not possible, bail should be the norm and not an exception. Jail cannot be the norm. The former Chief Justice also emphasizing that every accused deserves a speedy trial. But the Supreme Court saying that there is a delay in the trial, but the period they have spent already in the jail does not cross the constitutional threshold of prolonged incarceration. But the former Chief Justice is saying that bail could have been given in this situation, but strict conditions could have been imposed. And the court should have said that if these bail conditions are violated, the prosecution has the right to file an application in the Supreme Court seeking cancellation of the bail.
Okay, all right. Do stay with us, Harish. We have a reaction from the BJP as well amid the politics that's playing out over the ex-CJI statement. Let's listen in.
वोट बैंक के नाम पर फिर से एक बार उमर शर्जील बचाओ गैंग काम पर, यहां तक कि पूर्व सीजेआई चंद्रचूड़ जी और जस्टिस बेला त्रिवेदी की नैतिकता पर भी सवाल कांग्रेस अब उठा रही है। ये वही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जो संविधान कहती है पर संविधान की एक नहीं मानती। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कई बार उमर खालिद की जब बेल प्ली आई तो उन्हीं के लॉयर्स ने उसको बार बार विड्रॉ करने का काम किया, पर फिर भी ये इंप्रेशन दिया जा रहा है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अन्याय किया उमर खालिद के साथ।
And well, with that, it's time for us to slip into a short break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.